Hey, what's up, everybody? So, if you're anything like me, there's a lot of confusion about the best platform out there to build your list. Because let's be honest, the money's in the list, right? So, how do you go about finding the best autoresponder that's going to work for you, that's going to be the easiest for you to use, and most importantly, going to be cost effective? Because let's be honest, a lot of times when you're trying to build a business, you don't want to put out a lot of money up front until you start generating that revenue, right? Don't mind the dog. She's a little pouty today because it's raining and she can't go outside. Anyway, so I just wanted to make this quick video to make a couple comparisons and show you what it is that we use in our business to help generate our revenue. All right? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a comparison chart, and we're going to compare Aweber to Mailchimp. Okay, so like I said, what we're going to do is we're going to do some comparing here, right? So if you go to the Aweber site, you can compare to just about any autoresponder out there. So what I'm doing today is I'm comparing to Mailchimp because we've recently transitioned from Mailchimp to Aweber, and we've been very pleased with the ease of use and the results that we've gotten. So, as you can see, they both have free plans. And now, I mean, if you're just starting out, you probably don't have multiple team members. But as you grow, you may want to build out your team. And on the free account, you see down the left column all these green check marks, everything Aweber gives you on the free account that Mailchimp doesn't give you on a free account. And you can have up to 50,000 subscribers with your free Aweber account. Now, if you want to build more than one list, you need to upgrade. But there's not too many autoresponders out there that'll give you just more than one list for free. So that's kind of no big surprise. And if we jump up here to the Pro plans, you can see Aweber Pro compared to Mailchimp Essentials, Mailchimp Standard, and Mailchimp Premium. Now, we just used Mailchimp Standard, which, as you can see, only granted us 5 lists, which we quickly outgrew. Right? That's another reason why we switched over to Aweber, because we needed the room to grow. We needed the capabilities to grow. And let's be honest, we were looking to save a few bucks. So Aweber really gave us the best bang for our buck. There's a ton of templates, all kinds of services. The customer support has been wonderful. When we transitioned from Mailchimp over to Aweber, they migrated everything for us for free. It was part of the plan. Free migration services. It's one of their little come to the dark side moments they give you. So within a couple days, our Aweber, all our lists and our all our lists were transitioned from Mailchimp over to Aweber. So it was really great and fantastic. And the list just goes on, right? There's all kinds of things to do here. And one thing I love, the difference with, is just, it's not as clunky as Mailchimp. I found Mailchimp was starting to get very clunky. At first it was great, it was wonderful, it was easy to use, it was smooth, it was going. But then further on down the line, it began to get slow and clunky, and there was a lot of drawbacks. So I would go in to build out a message, and I'd open up my template, and I would import my template, and then I would want to go and create a message, and I would try and import an image or copy and paste something I had written out somewhere else. And it would delay, and it would take forever to load up on the screen. So that began to get real annoying. But with Aweber, everything's nice and quick and easy. Drag and drop, email builder, plain text, HTML editor. You can just go in, and depending on the list you're in, it'll bring up templates. It'll load your template automatically for you. So all in all, I'm really impressed with Aweber. Another benefit to using Aweber is they have an affiliate program. Hey, everybody likes that, right? So it's cool. You can not only use Aweber to build your list, but you can promote Aweber to help generate your revenue as well. It's just another income stream. And as you can see, it just loaded up one of my templates right away as I went in to do this. And then you just hit the templates and it's going to show up everything you've got. Now, my internet's being a little slow today, so bear with us. Load up my templates. And then you just got all kinds of them here, right? That I use. It's perfect. It's great. I love it. Let's pick this one. We'll come down here. Apply. It'll load up. Bada boom, bada bing. And it's great. You can just click and drag. Boom. Headline. There you go. Boom. Paragraph. Okay. Here we go. Ta-da. Right? So it's very user-friendly. It's very easy to transition. It's very easy to put your emails together and nurture and build your list. Because that's another key thing you really need, right? You really need to nurture and build your list. Because like everyone tells you, the money is in the list. So you want to make sure that you're creating an environment that, I'm just get out of this here. Make sure you're creating an environment that's welcoming and nurturing so you can build your list and move forward. And use that list to help you generate more streams of revenue as you move through and progress and build your business. So I'm just going to get out of here real quick, and I'm just going to flip over to this side of things. And show you the advocate side, because it's cool and they give you all kinds of resources to use and promote. So if you come up here, oh, what's going on? Settle down. Right? There's a slew of banner ads they give you to use. You can put in your social media. If you got a blog, you can put it on your blog, website, wherever you want to put it. You can deliver everywhere. And they even have little video tutorials you can use as well, which is good for helping someone understand things better, right? Aweber for free, setting up a campaign, how to build a landing page, designing your first email. Like, as you can see, the list is on and on and on. Integrations, email list growth blueprint. So all in all, we're very pleased with Aweber. We're happy we made the transition from Mailchimp to Aweber. And if you want to know more, let me know. Reach out, drop a comment, send me an email, whatever. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you got. I'll include some more information down below. And one thing I almost forgot. So one thing that I almost forgot to mention is one of the affiliate programs we promote that helped us build our business and get started has an extra revenue stream built in to the affiliate program, which is how we ended up with Aweber. I'll drop some information on that below in the comments as well. It's just another way for you to look at and generate extra revenue streams if you haven't already. because ideally you want to be successful as possible as an online marketer, and I want you to succeed as much as possible as you move forward to build your business. That's why I'm putting these little videos together, and that's why I'm trying to help as much as I can and give you as much information as I possibly can so you can build and grow. And if you got any questions, you drop a comment, I'll help out, I'll reach out, send me an email, whatever it is, I'll reach out and help you as much as I can, as best as I can. That's all I got today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it somewhat useful. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for stopping by.